See, I have purchased one electronic component from this company. So this is a packet. So this is how they packed it. The packaging is very good. See, this is a product that I ordered. See, this is RJ11 breakout board with a 4-pin 2mm pitch connector. Product is very good. So they packaged it very well. So this is my experience when I purchased this electronic component from that company. So you can also try it. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.